This is my video for my resource for my PN4036 topic portfolio. This is what I am working on with intersecting pipework and ductwork. So my resource is student-centered, and it's to create a classroom activity relatively close to the beginning of the topic. So what I'm using is, this is just one example I have, is two intersecting cylindrical pipes. And what students will do, I will have one of these, or I also have a development of the two pipes. So this development can be enveloped to make this shape, and this one can make the upright pipe. So my intention with this is each student in the class will get one of the three of these, but there will only be one of each. So there'll be a full 3D model and then the two developments, but there will be a different full 3D model, different shapes. So here's another example I have. So we'd have, all of them would be in triads. So each student would get one of these randomly. And the first thing each student would have to do individually would be to try and decipher, without folding up their piece, what shape they have. And the student with the full 3D piece needs to just try and break down what developments they will need to make this shape. This is all to do with manipulation and visualization. There's no drawing aspect to this as such, or technical drawing aspect. So once students have that done, they will fold up their developments, and I have two folded here already. These match to two of these. So when they're folded up, so students will then have to try, as a classroom activity, get into their groups of three to find the other two people in their group. And when they do, they'll make sure that the two developments match up, and that they match up relatively close to the shape of the 3D model. When they do, they compare their sketches to the actual 3D model, and the person in the 3D model compares their sketches to the developments. And it's sort of self-assessment and peer assessment of how the students can visualize what they are working with before they turn it into a 3D model, or the opposite, when they have it in a 3D model and they want to turn it back into a 2D onto a 2D development. This is just to encourage visualization before students get into more technical questions.